Download the Connected Family app to manage your Starling Smart Bassinet from your smartphone. In the app, tap the plus icon. Select Maxi-Cosi, followed by Starling Smart Bassinet to begin pairing your device. Next, you'll be connecting to Wi-Fi. Input your home Wi-Fi settings. Then tap Next to connect. Plug in the Starling Smart Bassinet. To manually enter pairing mode, press and hold both the power and motion 1 icons for 20 seconds. Plugging in the device for the first time should automatically enable pairing mode. The Wi-Fi indicator will blink white while in pairing mode. The app will start searching for your device. Select Starling Smart Bassinet when it appears on the app screen. The device will begin pairing. This can take up to 2 minutes. When paired, the Wi-Fi indicator will shine solid white. Tap Got it. Once your device is connected, complete any firmware updates that may be required. Then set a name for the bassinet. You can then select the room your bassinet will be placed in or add a new one. Next, tap Add New User to provide additional caregivers with secure access to the device. You can also add a child to associate with the device. Then tap Go to Device screen. Your device is now officially set up and ready to use.